Style Mont Blanc 380 Needle versus Strike Hawk 460 Low Flat. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically, I think is Takumi. I think that's his name, Takumi, versus Bird Kazami. And yeah, you may have noticed that I said Style Mont Blanc and Wizard and Strike Hawk, because that's basically what these two are meant to be in terms of their these combos. So yeah, I did my best to try to replicate the anime combos as much as possible while keeping close to the actual colors. So let's start the battle. By the way, if you want to support this channel, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All things help a lot. And if you want to support me in a financial way, then you can always go to the link in the description. There's a link to a site called Model Toys, and whenever you buy through that link, you'll actually support me in the process. I also have discount codes to help you save money. They are the Legendary R, and it works for Bays and Bricks and Model Toys. On Model Toys, it saves you 5% off, and on Bays and Bricks, it saves you 7% off. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And now, let's get into the battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Strike Hawk is doing his best extreme dash. Style Mont Blanc is holding on. And Strike Hawk wins round 1 with a spin finish. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Okay, Wizard Arrow, Strike Hawk wins that round with another finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa, first finish. I'm trying to stop it. Burst finish, your winner is Strike Hawk for that one. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Another burst finish. Yeah, I was trying to stop the Beyblades, but oh well. Your winner is Style Mont Blanc for that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Style Mont Blanc wins that round with another finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Whoa! Strike Hawk wins that round with over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Strike Hawk hits really hard. Whoa! Okay. Strike Hawk wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, that was almost a missed extreme dash. Whoa! Style Mont Blanc wins with a spin finish. Yeah, it took those attacks like a shield. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Okay, that was interesting. Guess I'm gonna give it to Style Mont Blanc with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Okay, Style Mont Blanc is holding on. And Strike Hawk wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Well, that happened. Style Mont Blanc wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Strike Hawk is trying so hard, but it runs out of stamina too quick. And Style Mont Blanc wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, let's see a win. Mont Blanc is holding on. I really hope Strikeout can win more though. It's trying so hard, but it's just not breaking through. And Mont Blanc wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Let's see if Strikeout can win. Strikeout is trying his best. And Mont Blanc wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Strikeout wins that round with an over finish. Well, extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Strikeout wins that round with the over finish. That was really fast. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, another over finish. Strikeout wins again with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, Mont Blanc is holding on. He's trying to take these attacks. Strikeout is slowing down. Let's see who wins. And Mont Blanc wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was almost a knockout, but oh well. I mean, that was almost a knockout from Strikeout. Mont Blanc wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Wow, Strikeout finally broke through. Strikeout wins that round with a over finish. Okay, so this Beyblade battle was actually really interesting. I know that was kind of weird hearing me say Strikeout and Mont Blanc instead of Wizard Arrow and Night Shield, but these are literally the combos from the anime, so I can't really say much else. But I'm really glad that we were able to actually make these combos instead of just getting a whole bunch of Night Shields and Wizard Arrow for no reason. So at least now we have a reason to actually get like more than one. And another thing I want to mention is that Strikeout was actually used by another player later on in the series, so like later on in the season, so I'll actually be doing those battles too. So Strikeout is not put to rest as of yet. Also, I'm gonna announce the winner now. Your winner is Strikeout. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.